Alright, finally, after a long hiatus, I bring you a new ceiling fan video. This is a Casablanca Zephyr Inteli-Touch ceiling fan that I got at a Habitat Restore. It has Delta 2 blades and blade arms, because the original blades were not there, but there was a Delta 2 sitting next to it that I did not buy, so I just got the blades from it since they were priced separately and put them on this fan. It does work. I got the W11 wall control with it. I did not get the down rod or the mounting bracket that goes on the outlet box, so I will have to track those down. For now, it's just hanging with chains that are wrapped around the ceiling truss up there. But anyway, I will plug it in and power it up. So it's plugged in. The main power on the Inteli-Touch control is on. We'll turn on the light. That's just a little socket I wired up to the bottom. I do have a switch cap for it, but it's sitting on my workbench right now. So we'll turn the light off and on. And I'll show you the dimming feature. To dim the light, you hold the light button down, and it starts at the lowest setting and ramps up. So we'll do that. There's the lowest setting, and it's slowly getting brighter. And that's all the way up. And it'll remember the last brightness setting that you left it at, so you can just turn it on and off at that setting. The fan works the same way. You hold it down, and it starts at the slowest speed, and it goes up through 6 speeds. So we'll try that out too. You'll notice it does twist when it comes on because, like I said, it's hanging by some chains. That's also why it looks crooked. It's not hanging level at all. That's the slowest speed. We'll go to number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. And to reverse the fan, you push the fan and the light switches at the same time. You can see it does have a bit of a wobble to it, but not too bad. It's worse because it's not on a proper mounting system. Let's just turn that off. There we go. So yes, it's a very nice fan. The bearings don't make too much noise. So once I get the mounting hardware, I will probably polish it up a little and hang it in my bedroom, because it really is a nice fan. I need to track down a cool light kit for it too, because it did not come with one. And let's turn off the light. I really haven't been collecting fans actively for a while now. I mean, I still appreciate vintage fans, but I've been out of the fan collecting loop. But when I saw this at the Restore, it was a good price too. So I wasn't sure if it worked or not. I took a chance, and luckily it does work. It works great, in fact. I forgot to mention earlier, the flywheel will take 4 or 5 blades, so I could make it a 5-blade fan, but I only have 4 blades for it at the moment, so it'll stay 4-blade for now. Alright, well that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed.